Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, new week, new puzzles. Monday, October the 17th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, and 1 binary. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 5341. 5341. Before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes. Okay. 1 4, 2 5s, or 2 6s, 4 7s, 2 3 4 8s, and 3 4 1 2 3 4 9. So the 3, the 7s, the 8s, and the 9s are in majority. Let me start with the 3. 3 3 3 3 3 3, yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. In this column, middle column, we have here 1 2 3 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 3 in this row, so no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3, need to wait. How about the 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, first row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see here an 8 in this column, no 8 there, here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about the 9 now? 9 9. Nine, nine. Nine, 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 nine. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in the last column, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, second row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9, need to wait. Here 9, there 9. How about the 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Then two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. 1 and then 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Let me see. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Okay. 1, 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 in last row, so here we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. You see another 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1 1 1 2 2. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and all the 9s are used. I can see this number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2, 6, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and all the 4s are used. I can't see digit number 5, number 4. How about the 2 then? No, the 2 I cannot. 1 number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2, now we have a 2 here in the first row, so no 2 there, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for number 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. 13 minutes, people. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than the 15 minutes. Alright? Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on. In a minute, maybe, with the second puzzle in additional a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.